Everyone is talking about AI agents, but which project should you actually build? So in this video, I'll share 4 practical agent project ideas that can help you learn faster, build a strong portfolio, and stand out in interviews. So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mukul Malhotra, and today I'll walk you through 4 AI agent project ideas from beginner to advanced that can build using Python, Ollama, and open source tools. So let's get started. So let's start with first a beginner project. So this project can help job seekers improve their resume by analyzing skills, experience, and job descriptions. It can identify missing keywords, suggest improvements, and even generate tailored resumes for specific roles. So an interview agent acts as a virtual interviewer. It asks technical or behavioral questions, evaluate responses, provide feedback, scores. So this project will help you for mock interviews, answer evaluation, scoring and feedback, and personalized learning roadmap. So once you're done with intermediate, you can move to advanced. And the advanced project is the vulnerability agent, where this project will continuously monitor security feeds, scan results, and code repositories to identify vulnerabilities. It prioritizes risks, suggests remediation steps, and notify teams through collaboration tools. And this project will help you for the CVE monitoring, vulnerability prioritization, remediation recommendations, and Slack or email notifications. So after advanced, you can move to the professional and choose the multi-agent systems project, which is MCP. So a multi-agent system consists of multiple specialized AI agents working together to complete complex tasks with MCP, which is a model context protocol, and it will enable agents to securely connect with tools, APIs, databases, and other agents. So which one would you like to see as a complete hands-on demo next? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos. So till then, stay tuned, keep learning.